How to add blocks to a product page on Squarespace. To add the block, just navigate to the product editor by going to your website and going to the pages and going over to your store. In here, you can see the list of products that you currently have. So on this case, just choose a product that you want to edit. Let's choose right here this gold. Click on edit option right here. After you have done that, you can see that we have in here these options. Click on this edit section. Now, onto this case, you can change the format for simple, rough, full, half, and the likes. Also change the colors that we have right here. If you want to add new block, you just need to find and click the additional information tab that we should be able to have right there. If it's not available, it's typically because this product can't be edited. You can add new blocks by choosing right there the edit section and adding new blocks depending on the liking or to the format of your actual store. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.